Hello guys, welcome. We
Solar PV model with bypass switching technique. In this we have used two solar panel and one ammeter, and bypass switching switches have been used. When the cell is not shaded, we can get the maximum amount of power. If the cell is shaded, the current get decreased. So we have to use switches to bypass the shaded portion and to get maximum power. In without switches, if the switches are not used, when the cell is shaded, we cannot get maximum amount of power. If the cell is shaded, the current get decreased, so the output power is get decreased.
present our project DC to DC converter in this video. First we see input of the MCT2E, input from the source potentiometer, output from the project and Arduino Uno. And you see RPS. And now we see perfect view from MCT2E. In this project, we buck the input source to 12 volt, and we use potentiometer to vary the range to get varying output. Now you all see the output on the voltmeter. This is the program we use in this project. Thank you. Have a wonderful day today.
Hi, I'm going to explain about the battery management system. It is used to manage the battery level in equal manner. RPS for charge the battery. The components are relay, LCD displays, batteries, and Arduino Uno board. These are the coding we have created for our project. Now we can see the series parallel combination in BMS. In parallel combination, the battery will be connected in parallel and the voltage, current, temperature will be displayed in the LCD display. In the same way, the battery will connected in series and the voltage, current, temperature will display in the LCD display for the series combination. If the battery temperature is increased above the set level, the relay contact will be open and the charging will be stopped. After the temperature decreases to the below the set level, again the relay start closed and the battery start charging.